Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy Alvin with Investify, and in today's video, I'm going to go over how you can invest in an shares and stocks ISA account using Freetrade. And so for those that don't know what an ISA account is, here in the UK, it's basically an investment account that you can put money into and you can gain profits on that or capital gains and you don't have to pay taxes into it. So it's a great way to start investing, and instead of just putting money into a savings account, you can put it into a fund and let it grow and you will not be charged taxes on your profits. So let's look at why I recommend Freetrade for ISA accounts. And I personally use Freetrade account, and we're actually going to get to look into my Freetrade account as well. And the reason number one is that there is no commissions you have to pay. But with that being said, there is a fee. There is a monthly fee that I paid, which is about £9.99. And I'm just going to break that down for you guys in today's video. So let's get right into it. Let me just share my screen real quick. All right, so what we're here is the website you want to go to is freetrade.io. That's the website, and then that'll take you to this main landing page for Freetrade, invest commission free, and get it on Google Play or download the App Store. So it's basically an app. So you download the app, and here's what I personally like about them is that they're authorized and regulated by the FCA. And when you invest, your capital is at risk. So they have a pricing table, and we're going to go through that. So why invest with them? You get access to both US and UK stocks. There's a lot of, I discuss, stocks based out of US and UK, and I get to invest in those here, right? You have your ETFs and investment trusts, you have fractional shares. That's another thing that you can do in ISAs as well, which I really like, right? So they have multiple types of accounts you can open up. There's a general investment account in which you can just put money in. You don't have to put any, there's no monthly fee for that. And there's the stock and shares ISA. And basically, let's just look into that a little detail. So the stock and shares is an individual savings account, basically. It's a tax efficient savings account or investment account that allows you to put money into a wide range of investments, from individual stocks and shares to funds, bonds, and ETFs. And you can do that through Freetrade. There is no UK capital gains or income tax in your investments, long-term investments, let your money grow, dividends accrue tax-free over time, which is great. And annual ISA allowance, your annual allowance is capped at £20,000. So you cannot put more than £20,000 per year. That's the one thing about this account is, and as long as you grow. Another thing is that unlike a pension where you cannot take money out until you're at least 55, you can take money out at any time, right? And you will not be taxed. So it's a great way to put basically into a possibly a better performing savings account, right? And by opening ISA with Freetrade, yes, it's commission-free investing. As they said up here, right, they charge £3 per month, but I'm personally paying $9.99, and there's a reason for it. It's only because I get access to even more stocks once I pay $9.99, right? Everything basically becomes then accessible to me. If I want to open a general investment account, a pension, I can open all those up. So it's good. And here's the other thing that I really like about them is that they're FSCS protected. Customers' accounts are covered by the provisions of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme and up to a maximum of £85,000. So keeping your money safe. So that's really good that up to £85,000 of your money you can have into an account with them. The another thing about ISAs is that you can only open ISAs with just one company, which kind of sucks, right? So in the UK, you cannot have multiple brokerages running your ISAs. But in my opinion, they've come out to be pretty good for me, and I'm really content with using them as an ISA because it's commission free. I get to buy the stocks whenever I want to buy, whenever I want to sell them. So that part is just really great, and I love it, right? So now I'm going to dive into the app. I already have my account, so you'll get to see how much I have in my ISA account. And I'm going to break down a lot of things as to how the app works so you guys can see in action what you can do. Also, if you don't have an account with Freetrade, I have put down in the links below a affiliate link. So basically, if you use my link and open an account, you can get up to 200 pounds of free stocks from Freetrade. And that's awesome. Just a way to help you help me. So we both get a free stock. So definitely check that out as well. So let's just dive into my portfolio. And here's my account. You can see I have over 10,000 pounds in it. And this is my ISA account. I can also switch to a general investment account. I initially opened that up, but I don't have any more money in it. I'm just focused on the ISA, right? And here's the thing, right? I can scroll down. Some of the stocks that I'm invested in. If you'd like to get the whole list, you can check out our Patreon page, link to that below, where you can join our stock alerts as well and the investments that I'm making. And then we have our insights, right? So it just kind of tells you how the breakdown is. I have some cash that I'm holding on to. Basically, I'm a big stocks guy. I do my research every day, all day. And you can see all the stocks that are available, right, that I can buy. The reason I'm paying about £9 a month for this is that it gives me access to even other US stocks. You see this plus sign, 2020 IPOs plus. Well, I can only get access to them because I'm paying that £9. If I was paying £3, I might not get all of these, access to all these stocks, right? So that's kind of a cool thing about Freetrade, and that's the only fee I'm paying. It comes out to be £108 in a year. I think that's fine with me. It's incredibly cheap compared to going with any other brokerage where you have to pay per commission, right, per stock that you're buying or selling. You can see, right, all of these great companies that you can invest in. They've broken down the teams. And so for instance, let's just take a look. Let's just search a stock, right? I'm not sure. Let's just say we choose Coinbase. Since it went public today, it's available and you can go ahead. It's simple to buy with ISA. I can put in, the amount. And here's the thing, even though it's at 328 pounds, $28 per share, I can still buy like, 10 pounds of it. So your ISA might have only 1,000 pounds and you want to buy Amazon or 100 pounds and you want to buy Coinbase. Well, you can buy 10 pounds worth of Coinbase or even like 5 pounds, right? So it's incredibly cheap. And I can also put in I have multiple order types and these are available. These other order types are available because I have the stocks and the plus account where I'm paying £9 a month. So it's excellent. I don't have to pay anything else for it. They break down the costs and charges if there might be any other. They're providing me with the information. It's a great way to start a savings account, and you have protection up to 85,000 pounds. To me, it's worked out pretty well for me so far. I'm really happy with them, and I will continue to grow into this investment. And so, yeah, that's as simple as it is to start a ISA account, stocks and shares ISA account with Freetrade, and to start investing in it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, guys. I would love to help you out. This is something I enjoy, and Freetrade has been great. Also, we do have a free share for you from Freetrade. The link is below, so please sign up. Get your free stock from Freetrade for the value of up to 200 pounds. And if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is Awesome with Investify, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Goodbye.